We're gonna try this in one take. This is our new Bridgeport Series 2. It was basically abandoned by a local company with a shitload of problems. So I'm gonna kind of go over the operations of it after it's been sorted out and fixed up. And first up, I'm gonna fire up the phase converter. With the phase converter fired up, this machine's, the DRO is plugged into the wall, so we can reset X, 0 preset, Y, 0 preset. It's happy. From here, brake works great, high range is good, switch to low, 140. The spindle works great. We'll switch to knee power feed. Up is good. Down is good. Table spins up fast. DC motor works great. X. Here's Y. We're on the Y-axis is moving. Full rapid. Switch directions. Mechanical clutch. X, full rapid. Stop. Hand cranks. And knee is heavy as hell, but up and down works fine. Seriously, Specialized pneumatic assist. This doesn't have, because it has a motor, they didn't bother with it. It also has an Ericsson quick change spindle, so there's an advanced brake lever. Lock. Boom. Drops out. Lock that in by hand. Put your hand here, put the lock here, and doink. Full lock. Full speed and happiness. Got our lights. The quill feed is broken right now, but involved, there's a switch inside that has got an internal short that needs some help. Otherwise, the table locks all still work. X, Y, and the double Z, and even the emergency stop works great. Got a quill and a 40 taper spindle. I'm gonna bring you in real quick, and we're gonna look at the DRO. It was a bit of a challenge to unscramble this guy, but in the grand scheme of things, So this is an old mini wizard. So we're gonna switch diameter radius, which means nothing for the grand scheme of things. It's just a doubler. Inch millimeter works fine. Incremental ABS also works fine. So X 7. There's no decimal place here, so you have to, if it's 7 inches, preset. Y 3, and let's say 30 thou minus, preset. Now if I move X, we move cleanly. I grab Y, it's equivalent. And yeah, that's about it on this machine. Back to home base here. So yeah, this is my Bridgeport Series 2. I think it's a really good machine. It's got a lot of cleaning to go through and some more work, but seems to be a workhorse for the future here at the shop.